How to find your phone contacts on Facebook Messenger app. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily find your phone contacts on the Messenger app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video below and subscribe to the channel. First thing first is to open up your Messenger app and make sure that you're logged into the account where you want to find your phone's contacts. Now, all you need to do is swipe right on your screen or tap on the hamburger menu, and then you can just head over to the gear icon to open up your settings. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Account Center, so just tap on See More in Account Center. And once your Account Center is open, all you need to do is head over to Your Information and Permissions, and right at the bottom, you have an option to upload contacts. Just tap on this one. And from here, you'll have to select your messenger. And after that, as you can see, the upload contacts is turned off right now. You can just tap on it to turn it on. So just tap on turn on. Now you'll have to allow Messenger to access your contacts. So just tap on app settings. And then from here, head over to permissions and make sure that you allow the contacts. And once that is done, you can just go back to your Messenger app and your upload contacts should be now turned on. So now it will give you a suggestions for people you may know and your upload contacts will now be turned on. Just tap on done and you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.